Our lesson today is called equations. Let's see what is the equation. Equation means I have two equal sides. It's like a balance. So if I said to you x and 3 equals 5, so it's written as x plus 3 equals 5. So the equation has so I have two sides equal to each other. This is an equation, and I have unknown number. What's the meaning of unknown number? Unknown number is a number that I do not know. X here is unknown number. Y is unknown number. Any letter in mathematics represent unknown number that you do not know. How can I know the value of x? I want to get x alone without plus 3 to get the value of x. So x plus 3 equals 5. How can I get rid of positive 3? To get rid of plus 3, I just put minus 3. Minus 3 cancelled positive 3, right? But remember, we said before that this is a balance. So if I make any operation in the right hand side, I must make the same operation in the left hand side and vice versa. So I must put minus 3 in both sides. So plus 3 and minus 3 will cancel together, remain x alone, and 5 minus 3 equals 2, so x equals 2. And how can I check my answer? My answer is right. Why? Because if I remove or get rid of x and exchange x with 2, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's see another equation. X minus 3 equals 5. So how can I get rid of minus 3? To get rid of minus 3, I just put the opposite of it. The opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. So I'll put positive 3 in both sides. So negative 3 and positive 3 in the left hand side will cancel together, remain x, and 5 plus 3 equals 8. So x equals 8. To check, if I exchange x with 8, 8 minus 3 equals 5. Here, if I remove x and just put 8, 8 minus 3 equals 5. Let's see another example. 2x equals 16. I wanted to get rid of 2. First of all, I wanted to know 2x means what? 2x, is it 2 plus x, or 2 minus x, or 2 multiply x, or 2 divided x? Remember, when I have a number stuck with a letter, which means these two numbers is multiplied. So 2x means 2 multiplied by x. So how can I get rid of the multiplication? Yes, the opposite of the multiplication is division. So if I make divided 2 to both sides, 2 will cancel with 2. So the remaining will be x. 16 divided 2 will be 8. So x equals 8. To check, I just make 8 instead of x. So 2 multiply 8 equals 16. Let's see another example. 1 over 8 times x equals 2. To get rid of fraction stuck with x, I'll just make multiply by the opposite. 1 over 8 will cancel if I multiplied it by 8. 1 over 2 will cancel if I multiplied it by 2. 2 over 4 will cancel if I multiplied it by 4 over 2. So when I multiply the fraction by its reciprocal, I'll get 1, or I'll cancel them together. So 1 over 8 times 8 cancelled together, remain with x. X equals 2 times 8, which is 16. Let's see another example. Here I have two operations beside x. 2x plus 9 equals 17. First of all, I'll get rid of the positive or negative beside x. So positive 9 will cancel if I make minus 9. 2x, remember, to get rid of positive 9, I'll make minus 9. But I must make the same operation in both sides. So I'll put minus 9 in both sides. First of all, 2x plus 9 minus 9, plus 9 and minus 9 when cancelled together, remain 2x. 17 minus 9 equals 8. So 2x equals 8. How can I get rid of the 2? By making divided. We said before 2x means 2 times x. So divided 2 by both sides will get rid of the 2 beside x, will remain x equals 8 divided 2, which is 4. Have x minus 5 equals 3. First of all, to get rid of minus 5, I just put plus 5. So I put plus 5 in both sides. Minus 5 will cancel with plus 5, and 3 plus 5 will be 8. So have x equals 8. To get rid of the fraction, I just multiply it by the reciprocal. So half times 2, or 2 over 1, will be cancelled. So times 2 by both sides, it will be x. Half will cancel with 2. So x equals 8 times 2, which is 16. X plus 9 equals 35. Try to solve it by yourself. X plus 9 equals 35. Yes, let's memorize together. X plus 9. I want x alone. I want the value of x to solve the equation, which means I get the value of the unknowns. X is the unknown. How can I get rid of plus 9? By making minus 9. Super. So I'll make minus 9 in the both sides. Plus 9 will cancel with minus 9. Remains x alone. 35 minus 9 equals 26. So x equals 26. Try to solve this. This also, x plus 8 equals 15. Yes, super. To get rid of plus 8, I just put minus 8 in both sides. So positive 8 will cancel with negative 8, remains x alone. X equals 15 minus 8, which is 7. A plus 17 equals 17. So to get rid of plus 17, this is not x. Yes, any letter represents unknown value. To get the value of A, I have to put minus 17 in both sides. So positive 17 will cancel with minus 17, remains x alone. 17 minus 17 equals 0, so x equals 0. Y minus 12 equals 18. I have minus 12 irritates me beside y. So to cancel minus 12, I get the opposite of it, which is positive 12. Negative 12 and positive 12 will cancel together, and in the other side, 18 plus 12 equals 30. So x equals 30. Here I have y minus 9 equals 14. To get rid of minus 9, I'll put the opposite of it in both sides. So I'll put positive 9 in both sides. The first side, negative 9 and positive 9 will cancel together, remains y alone, and 14 plus 9 equals 23. J minus 54 equals 61. So first of all, I'll get rid of any number beside the unknown, which is j. So I have to get rid of negative 54 by putting positive 54 in both sides. So negative 54 and positive 54 will cancel together, remains j alone. So 61 plus 54 equals 102.